Hey everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes Tuesday with Bala. This week we are going to have a quick introduction on Azure OpenAI. Let's get started. So first let's start with the evolution. Late in 1956 with artificial intelligence, where we were just trying to make intelligent machines to betterment the human intelligence. Then in 1997, machine learning was introduced, which is mainly learning the existing data and helps in decision making. And 2017, deep learning. So we started using neural networks for better decisioning from the existing data, which is more like advancement of the machine learning. In 2021, the boom of generative AI started, where we were using the prompt engineering to generate data, generate content from our existing data set. Let's understand the partnership between Microsoft and OpenAI. So Microsoft came up with their infrastructure which could support all the OpenAI related models and workloads. Even in the recent MS Ignite, they did introduce their own chips or their silicon which could support all the AI related workloads. Let's look into the AI models. So we have the GPT series, starts with 3.5, 4, 4.5, and then the latest version is the 4.5 Turbo. And this is specifically used for anything related to the text. So when you prompt, it's going to give you in a text-based content generation and things like that. The next one is Codex, which is really good in generative coding model. So where you prompt something and it generates the code. So the third one is Dolly. As everybody know, Dolly is really good in generating images when you give a particular prompt. So Azure AI services is something which has much more wider spectrum of services, where you can see there are bot services, cognitive search, vision, speech, language. It has a lot of things, and OpenAI is one part of it. When you combine OpenAI with these services, it becomes much more powerful. Responsible Azure AI. So Microsoft promises that the enterprise grade security is provided for your data, and the data is never used for training other models. And the other way around, they promise this by giving a lot of governance policies, secured who accessed it, when it was accessed. And then they also have content filters, where if there is any abusive terms or something, you could have content filtering on top of it. Conclusion, Azure OpenAI is really there to help humans, but not exactly replace them. And also not always the AI services are going to be trustworthy and correct. So anytime when something is generated from AI, it's going to be used as a supplement and it needs to be validated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week with another topic. Thanks again.